Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the flight status on the FlyDelta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below. In the right side corner of the screen, click on the flight status button at the top. After that, select your flight date and then your flight number. Select the departure point and the destination, and click on the view status button down below and search for a flight. As you can see, you have two options, so you either search by the number, flight number, or the city or airport that you type in, and if there is an available flight according to the departure and destination point and the flight number, you will be able to check out its status here at this section. So here you will be able to find the status. It's shown on the map. Here you can watch the flight and select its status or check out its status. So if you tap on the view more button, you can also find a bunch of other options here, so and details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.